If you like this, then you're going to love this. Oh, these noodles. Korean food is currently taking the world by storm. I love the variety of dishes, the textures, the flavors. It's often spicy. And one of my favorite discoveries is this guy here, Buldak Carbonara ramen. This ramen, I feel like, is becoming so popular these days. It's chewy and has the most amazing creamy, spicy sauce. And it got me thinking, why don't I try making it myself at home? So that's exactly what we're gonna do today. A spicy, creamy, cheesy udon carbonara that is to die for, and it's so easy to make. So the very first thing that we're gonna do is heat through our udon. So I have some frozen udon here. I'm gonna bring a pot of water to a rolling boil. We're gonna turn off the heat, add in the udon, and swirl it around until all the noodles separate. Then I'm gonna drain it and then rinse it with a little bit of cold water, and they're ready for the next step. Now we're gonna put together the spicy cheesy sauce for the udon, and there are 3 ingredients that I wanna bring to your attention. So the first one is gojuchang, which is a spicy red pepper paste. This is going to add a ton of flavor to the sauce. Next, we have gojugaru, which is a Korean red pepper, which is nice and spicy. It's gonna intensify the heat. And the last one is MSG. So MSG adds a bit of umami, a rich meatiness that really rounds out the flavors. And all of these ingredients can be found at your local Asian grocery store. To a large pan on medium heat, I'm gonna add some butter. Once it's nice and melted, I'm gonna add in some chopped bacon, and we're gonna stir fry that until it's nice and browned. Then I'm gonna add in some shallots and garlic and saute them off for about 15 to 20 seconds or until they're softened and fragrant. Then I'll add in my gochujang and saute for a minute just so that it melts into the butter and the bacon. I'm gonna pour in some whipping cream and season with gojugaru, sugar, MSG, and salt to taste. I'm gonna stir to mix everything and bring it to a simmer. Sprinkle in some mozzarella and parmesan, then add in the udon and mix to coat well. Garnish with green onions, and just like that, our spicy cheesy udon carbonara is ready. These noodles look amazing. They have this gorgeous glossy finish to them. Let's go in. Oh, I love an udon noodle. I'm gonna tuck my hair behind my ears so that I'm nice and prepped. Creamy, spicy, so good. This is my favorite noodle dish of the moment. Oh, these noodles are so good. Can we talk about the sauce? It's so creamy and rich, and I love how the heat of the gojugaru and the gochujang just cut it. It's so delicious, especially paired with the smoky bacon, and that pinch of MSG in there just rounds out all the flavors, brings an element of umami, and makes this dish over the top delicious. Speaking of which, the udon noodles, oh, who doesn't love an udon noodle? Thick, chewy, and just clings to the sauce beautifully. If you're looking to explore the flavors of Korea, definitely try this dish out. It's nice and simple, and trust me, you'll be coming back for more.